Onboarding a new listing can take just a few minutes to set up. Once you've clicked on the listing from your dashboard, you'll be taken to the listings calendar. From here, you'll get to review your imported prices, build the strategy, configure the calendar, and finally sync your prices. We begin with reviewing prices. These prices are what's currently live on your channel. As you can see, this listing's prices are at $100 throughout the entire calendar. Once reviewed, I have two options: data-driven dynamic pricing or rule-based dynamic pricing. Data-driven leverages Wheelhouse's pricing recommendations, whereas rule-based gives you full control over your dynamic pricing. Let's start with data-driven dynamic pricing. After selecting, you get to set your base price. You can think of the base price as the starting point for dynamic pricing. It's not the lowest price, that would be the minimum price, but rather the foundation for all pricing. Right below is where you get to set a minimum price, preferably something lower than the base price itself. After selecting preview, we now get to see what the Wheelhouse recommendations are for every single day. Next, Wheelhouse gives you the ability to save some of these imported rates. Let's say you have the next 2 months set up, but want to begin using Wheelhouse's dynamic pricing after. Once you do that, you either continue making adjustments to your settings or begin automating and syncing over to your channel. Now let's go back and select rule-based dynamic pricing. You're immediately taken to the settings page where you can make adjustments across the board. From setting up your base price, seasonality, and min price. Once you're done, go ahead and click Continue Onboarding. Similar to earlier, you have the option to keep some of the imported prices or not. And the final step here is to sync and automate.